Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Wyze Light Strip and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if your light strip is not working, whether it is not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing or pairing with your device or with the app, it's not responding, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this light strip up someplace new, on a new network or something like that, and you just want to wipe everything off of it so you can set it up new. It's super easy to do. On this device, all you need to do is find the side button on the control, and you're just going to press and hold the side button on the controller for at least 7 seconds until the light strip at that point should start to pulse. Once it starts to pulse, you can let go of the button, and now your light strip is basically, everything's been wiped off of it, and it's now in setup mode, so you can go ahead and set it up in your app or whatever as though you're just setting up a brand new light strip.